Hi, can you say the diphthong sound A? Perhaps you can say it, but you don't always recognise the sound when it's spelt in words. So today we're going to learn how to pronounce the A sound and then learn all the different ways to spell it. So by the end of the lesson, you'll be able to pronounce it, recognise it and spell it. Oh, I nearly forgot. There's also some intonation practice at the end. So come on, let's go. First of all, a diphthong is a glide from one vowel sound to another within one syllable. Let's get the sound right first, shall we? A. A. This diphthong is known as a closing diphthong. Why? Because the final I sound is known as a closed vowel. Like this. I. I. The jaw is fairly closed, so the tongue is high. The sides of your tongue should be touching the sides of your upper teeth. And the lips are slightly spread. Watch again. I. I. Now let's make the first sound, E. This is called a centre vowel because the tongue, jaw and lips are all in a relaxed, neutral position. E. E. Say get. Now join E and I smoothly so they become just one syllable like this. A. A. Can you feel as your jaw closes for I, your tongue moves up with it? A. A. It's a very small movement. Say 8. Gate. Great. Now say this word pair and compare the movement of your lips and jaw. Get. Gate. Get. Gate. Can you tell the difference? Make it big. Get. Gate. Now small like this. Get. Gate. Try it yourself in the mirror. Now for the easy part, the spellings. The most common way of spelling the sound A is in words with the spelling A, known as long A, as in radio, lady, paper, April, and favourite. And A with final E words like age, page, late, date, shade, taste. Most words with AI spellings when it comes at the beginning and in the middle of words, as in rain, pain, wait, afraid, straight, explain. And all words with the spelling AY at the end of words, as in day, stay, away, delay, always, pray. Less common spellings are words with the spelling EA, as in great, break, steak. EI at the beginning and middle of words, as in 8 and veil. EY at the end of words like they, grey and obey. And now for the part you've all been waiting for, the practice. You're welcome. I've prepared some intonation practice using alternative questions incorporating the sound A. Copy me. My voice rises on the first alternative and falls on the second. Watch, listen and repeat. Would you like a magazine or a newspaper? Is it Wednesday or Thursday? Do I change trains here or at the next stop? Is the plane on time or is it delayed? Sunshade up or down? A is of course only one diphthong, and you really should learn all the other ways diphthongs and monophthongs are spelt. So I've put all the information you'll need in this playlist here. Love and peace.